You can use powerful analysis tools in NVivo for Mac to work with structured data. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically code a dataset containing survey responses to create cases. Imagine you have already imported an Excel spreadsheet containing survey responses into your project as a dataset source. This column contains the respondent IDs. These columns, with the gray background, are known as classifying columns. They contain descriptive or demographic information about each of the respondents, such as age and gender. These other columns, with the white background, are called codable columns. They contain responses to open-ended survey questions. Although you can manually code this content, you can speed things up by using the AutoCode assistant. For example, you can quickly gather the responses for each survey participant into a case. You can also choose to include the demographic information about each respondent. Click on the dataset, then on the Analyze tab, click AutoCode. Choose this option to code at cases, and click Next. We want to create a case for each survey respondent, so click here and choose Respondent. The preview area shows you an example of the cases that will be created, and click Next. Here, you can choose which columns you want to code at these cases. I'll select all of these columns, then click here, and then click Next. I'll accept the defaults here to create cases under a new case hierarchy. Since I want to include the classifying or demographic information about the respondents, I'll select this checkbox and create a new classification. I'll call it Respondents. I only want to include specific demographic information about the respondents. Click this button and deselect the checkboxes for any attributes you don't want to include. Now, click AutoCode. The cases are stored in the Cases folder. Click here to view the cases in List View. Each case contains all the coded responses for a particular person. And since I also classified the cases, attribute values from the classifying columns have been assigned to each case. The case classification that we created is stored here. Double-click here to open the classification sheet. This shows all of the respondents and the demographic information that we are interested in. This tutorial has demonstrated how to autocode a dataset to create, classify, and code at cases. You might want to watch the separate video tutorial that shows you how to autocode a dataset to create nodes. Once you autocode your dataset for cases, as well as for nodes, you'll be able to answer questions like, what do people over the age of 70 say about water quality? For more information, refer to the online help.